Delhi was first under the rule of Tomara Rajput rulers, and Prithvi established a fort in the capital of Delhi named Lal Kot. Lal Kot means a fort with red color. It is not red fort that was established by the Shah Jahan, it is another fort established by the Tomara Rajput rulers. And in the time of Anangapala, and Anangapala ruled from 1130 up to 1145, and in this time the Delhi reached its zenith under the Tomara Rajputs. But after the Tomara Rajputs, the Chahmana rulers captured the Delhi from the Tomaras, and the Chahmana rulers, they ruled from 1165 to 1192. Chahmana or Chauhan rulers. So, Chauhan or Chahmana rulers, they ruled from 1165 up to 92, and their powerful ruler was Prithvi Raja III. He ruled between 1175 up to 1192 AD. Okay. So, Prithvi Raja also the up to 92. After that, what happened, you know already. Muhammad Ghori came, and in the second battle of Tarain, he was defeated by the Muhammad Ghori, and after that in 1205 the Kutubuddin Aibak established the Mameluke dynasty. Okay. And he ruled from 1206 to 1210. Okay, AD. Okay, and established the Mameluke or slave dynasty. So, what happened before Kutubuddin Aibak? Now, we discussed about the prosperity of the Delhi under the Chahmanas and Tomara Rajput rulers. Okay. Do you understand up to this? Students, do you understand up to this? Can you hear me properly? Rahul? Sir? Okay. Now, I am rubbing this and discuss about what happened in the time of the Chahmanas and the Tomara rulers, in the time of Tomara rulers in Delhi. That Chahmanas, in the time of the actually the under the Tomara and Chahmanas, it become an important commercial center. Delhi become an important commercial center. Okay. And many rich merchants live here and built many temples. And many merchants, they live here, they made many splendid temples here, and coins minted here were called Deliwal. Really called Deliwal. Okay, remember this one, Deliwal. So, the Delhi Sultans developed Delhi into the capital of a big empire. After when the Delhi Sultans captured Delhi, they developed Delhi into a capital of a big empire in 13th century. And before that, you know that the Chahamanas rulers, they actually belonged to the Ajmer and they captured the Delhi. So, this is also an important question, that the Chahamana rulers belong to Ajmer, and in their time Ajmer and Delhi both are their capitals. And today we know Delhi is a very prosperous city, and it is also under the National Capital Territory or National Capital Region, NCR. And in Delhi Sultans, they built many cities in the area that we know today as Delhi. Okay. And it is actually called Purani Delhi. And total 7 cities were built, 7 to 8 cities by the various sultans in the Delhi before the arrival of the Mughal empires. And I am discussing those cities, the name of the cities one by one. First of all, the first one, it is the Delhi-e-Kunha. First one, it is Delhi-e-Kunha. And Delhi-e-Kunha established by Iltutmish first. And Iltutmish was the son-in-law of Qutbuddin Aibak, the next ruler of Delhi Sultanate. And after that, Sher Shah Suri, and Sher Shah, the ruler of Suri dynasty, in 1540 as well as in 1540, as well as some people, historian says, the Humayun developed this city Delhi. It is number 1. Number 2, the city named is the Siri, and Siri fort, it is actually fortress, a city with fortress. Sir, the voice, check the voice. Someone shouting. And Siri Port established by the Alauddin Khilji. In 1303 AD. Next one, it is the Tughlaqabad. Tughlaqabad or Tughlaqabad, okay, both are correct, made by the founder of Tughlaq dynasty, Ghiyasuddin Tughlaq. Okay, it is founded by Ghiyasuddin Tughlaq. Number 4, the city was Firozabad or Firoz Shah Kotla. It was established by Firoz Tughlaq. the brother of Firoz Shah Tughlaq, as well as Adilabad, another city, and Adilabad established by the Muhammad bin Tughlaq, the son of Ghiyasuddin Tughlaq, and another city. It is not a city, actually they are two big water reservoirs, that Haji Sultani and Haj Khas. Or Haj-e Sultani, and it is two different Sultani, two different water reservoirs. The Haj Khas established by the Alauddin Khilji for water supply in the city fort, and Haji Sultani established by Iltutmish. It was dug by Iltutmish in 1230. Except this, another fort is there, it is Salimgarh fort. It is established by the Suri ruler Salim Shah Suri. So these are the in this way we can see, okay, that and another city I missed, it is Jahanpana. Okay, Jahanpana. Okay, I am writing here Jahanpana. It is also Jahanpana, also established by Muhammad bin Tughlaq. Okay, so these are the 7 cities and settlements surrounding Delhi. Next class we are going to discuss the dynasties ruled over the Delhi and how long they ruled over Delhi and what are the achievements of those rulers. We will discuss one by one. If you have any question from this subunit, you can ask me. What happened? 254. What is the meaning? Okay. So what is the question? No doubt. Okay. Yes. Sir. One question is there, cannot see the question. No, there is a question. What is the Delhi wall? Which class it is? So, okay. It's okay. Okay, so I am finished. Okay, thank you students, thank you for watching this class. Okay, read this in your home. Next day we will come with the ruling dynasties. Thank you for watching.